Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm Irium. Please don't forget to subscribe and also comment down below any ideas, any videos that you want to see. So anyways, let's get to it. So today I've got this try video thing. I don't know what you call these videos, but anyways, I'm going to be trying this pore vacuum sucker vacuum pore vacuum, is that what you call it? I think so, I don't know. Anyways, so I suffer from a lot of whiteheads rather than blackheads, and I was given this, so I'm so excited to use it. I hope it works. I've never used a vacuum before, so I'm just going to explain it before I show you if it works or not. So okay, it's this. So I've already opened it, sorry, and it comes with like the vacuum thing and also 3 little like suction things like these, so you just put it on lid things that you use basically, and I'm so bad at explaining. So then you just put these on to the vacuum and each one has a different purpose. So they come with this one, there's 4. The first one is for fine lines and fine lines corrector. There's one for skin tightener, there's another one for skin softener, and there's one for pore cleanser, which is what I'll be testing out today. And yeah, so it removes blackheads and whiteheads, reduce fine lines, and it stimulates skin regeneration. So let's see if this is worth the hype. I've never used it before. I am scared. I watched some YouTube videos, so I think I'm a semi-pro, kind of, maybe. Jokes. I'm not. So by the way guys, when I said that it was sent to me, I meant that my mum brought it for me. I just want to put that out there. So okay, so I'm going to test this, as I've already tested it on my hand off camera because I get so excited. But yeah, let's just give it a go. So you have to put batteries in this. I think it was just one battery, did it? Two batteries, I think. Okay, anyway, so it has like only an on and off switch. And I'm going to test it on my hand so you guys can see it. So if I just show you here, so you just push it up and now it's on. So it has a good grip, as you can see. So you shouldn't turn this off. So it's quite strong. You shouldn't leave it in the same place for 3 seconds, so keeping that in mind. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on. I'm just gonna steam my face for another 2 minutes and then come back and then we'll see if it's magical or not. So guys, I'm back. My pores are open and I'm ready for my whiteheads to be sucked out. So I'm so scared to use this. I'm really afraid. I'm scared I'm gonna get bruising and stuff because I've seen some online. I've heard some stories, but okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in, you know, see my pretty face. No, I'm joking, it's not that pretty. But I get a lot of whiteheads around my nose, like I said before. So yeah, let's give it a try. So you should always hold down. So I'm gonna start from this area outwards, then in. Okay. It doesn't hurt. It is quite strong. Okay, they also say that you shouldn't go over it again that many times, so I'm not going to. There's nothing here so far. But I don't really have blackheads there anyway, so I just thought I'd start there just to be on the safe side. But yeah, let's get to the nose now. Ooh. I think it's quite hot. Oh my god, it actually works. Yeah. But guys, this actually works. I'm not going to do too much on my nose, but trying to get in there. I have a fat nose, okay? So let's see from here. But I don't know. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but Let me see if I can focus it. It actually works. So I'm going to try it on my forehead as well, and we'll try out the other ones as well and see how that works. But this actually works. Do I do downwards or upwards? Okay, I'm not quite sure on what direction. So guys, if you're a pro and I'm doing this wrong, please don't judge me, but I'm probably just going to do it outwards rather than downwards. It doesn't, okay, that's not even sticking to my forehead. Oh, I was using this bit. Ah! Ah! I'm really scared. I'm really scared. I guess if I'm doing it right, I've got nothing to be scared about, right? Okay, so we'll do my chin as well. So it doesn't hurt. But it is quite strong. So it's quite strong, and it actually does pick up some, I don't even know if I can show you. Focus on it. I don't know if you can see it, but. So let's try, shall we try the fine line ones? Let's try the skin tightener ones. Okay, so I know I'm gonna regret this tomorrow, but let's just do it. So I just had a shower as well, so anyways, okay, let's get to it. Why am I worrying about my hair? Okay, I'm scared. Okay, sure. Let's do this. So I'm gonna do it outwards, go this bit there. Ah, shit. Okay, it's really sucky, like sucky. It's really harsh on the side, so I'm not going to do that because I'm scared I'm going to get bruising. But let's just try my forehead. So it's actually quite hard to grip on, like the facial, like around my face. You know what I mean? You know when it sucks on, it's kind of like you got to play around with it for it to suck on. So it has a really good grip. So I've gone a bit red, but hopefully I'm not going to be bruised. So let's try over here. I do feel my skin, it feels more softer, so that's something, I guess. My skin kind of does feel tighter, and it feels soft as well. It does feel soft. It feels more stimulated, I think, and like it kind of feels quite good. So I'm just gonna moisturize, and then I'm gonna review it afterwards and see how it feels in the next an hour or so. Okay, so BRB. So guys, it's been half an hour since I tried the vacuum pore sucker thingy, this thing here. And okay, so after that I applied cold water to my face, and then I did my skincare routine. And honestly, straight away when I was applying my skincare, my skin felt so soft and really firm, like not too firm, but just nice and firm. And instantly I felt like I looked brighter. Like I could tell my skin just looked brighter, like not like white, but just nice and bright. I don't know, it looked, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it just looked so nice and bright. I did kind of mess up, I'll show you now. So because I felt like that was my fault because I didn't do it properly, when it was sucking on it, I found myself like being a bit too harsh with it. So as you can see, I've got a bit of bruising. I don't know if you can pick up that up, but you can pick this side probably, yeah. So I've got a bit of can you see a bit of bruising there? It's not really a bruise, I would say, it's just a bit of redness. Again, I feel like it will just go down, but it's just over here, and that was, I do feel like that was my fault anyways, because I didn't do it properly. So I feel like overall this product is worth what it is, which is £14.99. I feel like for the price, you can't really go wrong. The suction is really powerful. Not really too powerful. I would say if you are a bit wary about it, or if you do have sensitive skin, maybe go for one that has levels, you know, of where you can control how powerful the suction is. But then again, for £14.99, I wouldn't expect this to have it. It just has one on and off button, like I said before. Overall, it's good. For my blackheads, whiteheads, it's really good. Like, again, I tried to show you, I'll try and show you again. I don't know if you can see it, but oh, my camera is really annoying. So I don't know if you can see it, but it did actually take out my whiteheads like a lot. It's quite gross. Not just like a bit, you know, it did actually have it actually went in. Again, I do feel like this is worth it. If you are looking for something quite cheap, then I would actually recommend it, but I would recommend you watching some YouTube tutorials on it before you do, just so you know. It's so easy to actually bruise your face with it, so you need to be so careful. Again, I did make sure I was careful, but I wasn't that careful, was I? Clearly not. But overall, I do feel like this is really good. It did the job. Yeah, so guys, if you are looking for a good suction, TKMAXX $14.99, really good. I would definitely recommend it. Again, don't use it too often. Research it before you do. There's so many pros and cons about using this, but I thought I'd give it a try, and I was really impressed with the results. My skin feels amazing. I feel glowy, and I feel like bright, and my skin feels so soft right now. Oh, I feel so soft. But yeah, guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and you like to see more reviews about stuff, please comment down below, and I would love to review some more stuff for you guys. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.